Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to permanently disable the Windows Defender. In the latest version of Windows, you will be not able to disable the Windows Defender from Group Policy Edit or the Register Edit. As you can see right now, the Windows Defender is on. This video will be very simple for you guys. First of all, close the Windows Defender screen. First, you need antivirus software. You can download any antivirus software. You can purchase antivirus or you can use the free antivirus. I'm gonna use this free trial version Quickheal antivirus. This is the best antivirus, and if you want to download this antivirus, I'll give you the link below. Double click the setup file. Just follow the procedure for the installation. In the meanwhile, please do like and subscribe my channel. Enter all your details, your name, your email address, and your phone number. After that, click on Continue and Register. Activation is completed. Now click on Finish. Your trial version Quickheal antivirus is activated. Let us check now Windows Defender is disabled or not. In the moment when you install the Quickheal antivirus or any other antivirus, the Windows Defender will get itself turned off. As you can see right now that the Quickheal antivirus has took over the Windows Defender. Microsoft Defender antivirus is automatically off because the Quickheal total security is stronger than the Windows Defender. Microsoft Windows Defender is permanently off. Now you can use the patch files. For that, go to the right corner and right click on the Quickheal antivirus and click on the Disable Virus Protection and choose the option and click on Permanently Disable and press OK. Now both the antivirus is permanently disabled. You can use the patch file and install the cracked version of the softwares and crack games. For the last time, we'll check it out that the Windows Defender is permanently disabled or not, and as well as the Quickheal antivirus. You have to go to the virus and threat protection. Here it is, the Quickheal total security is turned off. As well as the Microsoft Defender antivirus is also off. If you have any queries regarding software errors, follow me on Instagram and I will give you the Telegram link. Follow me and join my group in Telegram. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys, and if you really like my video, do subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries regarding about Windows problems, errors, just follow me on Instagram and message me. Thank you once again. We will meet again in the next video.